Yes guys, welcome to viewfirst. Today guys, ito na yung item na i-assemble natin. Open natin. Ito yung unang i-assemble guys. Itong HU-012B electronic clock suit. Color green yung LED nito guys. Samahan nyo kung i-open na guys. And assemble. So may dalawa siyang pack. Open natin yung electronic side guys. Kasi ito yung una nating i-assemble using a soldering iron and a lead. Consisting ng the legs. To reset, press S3 and S2 for 10 to 15 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then it will return to 7:59, and then after 3 seconds it will change to 8 o'clock. To stop this, press S1. To make the display clearer, let's just put this film. To change the temperature, we're going to press S3 only. S3 is considered the menu, while the S2 is the adjust button. To go to temperature correction, let's press S3. It's 33 or 34 degrees Celsius. And to change that, we have the soldering iron. As you can see, it's moving. Okay, let's turn it back to 36. My body temperature. Okay, there. If you want to adjust, just press S2 again. Why we need to adjust this? Anyway, there, let's proceed to 36. Okay, there. To proceed to the year, month, and date, press S3 again, or the menu. It will first change the year. To adjust, S2. Let's change it to 2023. Next is for the month and date. First, the month will blinking. Okay, let's change it to 3. And then for the date, S3 to confirm. And then we'll transfer to the date. Now it's 12. Click S3 to go to week setup. What week we are? Week 2. So let's try there. Press again to time setup. For the time setup, AA24, this means that it is military time, and you adjust it. There, 12. So let's just try to set this as military time. S3 again, it will go to hour. And then 2 minute. Okay, then let's confirm it by pressing S3, then off, on. Alarm. Next, let's try to alarm this. Okay, next, there are 2 kinds of alarm, 1 and 2. So let's try this one. Then confirm. The next press is the C, on. Whole time reporting for interval setting. Let's just try to off, on. Okay. Next is the start time flashing. Let's just verify that. There. After pressing S3, the mode will return to normal display. And let's just wait until alarm. Okay. It's 15:39, almost a minute to alarm. There, it alarms.
It is 12 past 17.
So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be first. Bye bye.